danger! Aha! An evil villain in some kind of armored vehicle!
I see you've encountered a Decibus novum cinctus, or a common armadillo. Now kindly retract your grappling hooks.
Sorry! I'd love to be a real superhero.
And I love a challenge. By rearranging your molecular structure, this little baby will give you a superpower.
What kind of power?
No idea, but it's perfectly safe. You didn't evaporate. Excellent. Now, let's figure out what your power is. Ah, got it.
Hey! I'm super strong! I gotta tell everybody!
Oh, the door! Oh, I love that wall.
You gave Ginger superpowers and not me? I've always wanted superpowers.
I once gave you crust from my sandwich. You owe me.
Put them down, Ginger. Okay, you can each have a power.
Ooh, cats first!
Ah!
Well, what's your power?
Super speed!
Dog's next. Cool! Literally.
Birds next. Really? Flight? I'm a bird. Ben? I want a different power.
Sorry, using the device afresh is disallowed due to erratic molecularization of monstrous proportions. Check this out.
Oh, this is the best day ever!
Or not.
Uh-oh. We've got a big problem.
No, I'd say it's Giganticus. Have no fear. With my super speed, I will easily be ineffectual.
Pierre, distract him. Tom, tickle him. And Ginger, get ready to push.
Hey, plank face! Whoa! Power for me!
Tickle, 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 tickle.
Now, Ginger! My trailer!
Hey, all our powers are gone.
Save me! Oh, right. Never mind.
I guess we learned that with great power comes great responsibility.
No, we didn't.
You're right. Let's go do something crazier.